Hey guys, and welcome back to another Pets Code tutorial. In this video we are talking about a new update where we got the chance to mine for Titanic Pet. First of all, let's go to our upgrade menu, and if you zoom out on the bottom left you can find mining skill. Unlock that one, and now you will be able to unlock the left and right bottom sides with your coins. I would suggest to unlock the mining merchant first, and all of these merchant slots, because you will get very good stuff from the merchant. Let me show you right away. So over here you can get all kinds of chests with the mining ore that you gathered. So make sure you begin mining right away and visit the merchant frequently, because there is very good stuff over here. You can see we are getting some scrolls out of these first chests, but if you go to legendary chest, you can see you can get very good stuff from this one, and it's also very expensive right now, so you can make a lot of money like we did. You can see we now have 2.5 million gems after selling some of our chests and scrolls. I will show you all of that, but you should definitely grind for these chests and use them or sell them. Anyway, it's very good to have them. Here you can see what we can get from those simple chests. Basic and epic chests are similar pretty much. So now if we use this mining speed scroll that we got from the chest, mining damage scroll and mining loot scroll, we will get, especially with mining loot scroll, we will get double amount of loot. Oh my god, only 19, because we shared it with that guy. So if you mine alone and nobody joins you, you get more stuff. If somebody joins you and help you with mining, then you get half of the amount. It's very bad if you share a spot. It actually goes a little bit faster, right? But you get less stuff, so it's not so good. I can already see some people exploiting that for sure. Finally! Come on, give us that. Yes. We grabbed one or two. What happened? There was some lag. Okay, we grabbed one. And this is very expensive. 400k gems. That's a lot of money. And there you go. This is how you use the merchant. And let me show you which ore is which one. So first we have over here, it's only dirt ore. The next one should be stone. Yeah, this one is stone. Next one is copper. The next one is iron, this bluish one. See, like diamonds. And this is golden. The green one is emerald ore. This violet one is obsidian. There you go. And the last one we already saw. This one is a runic. So you will see in the upgrades when you come to this one, where you will unlock huge fossil dragon odds. This will increase chances to mine the huge fossil dragon from emerald, obsidian and runic ore. So only those can drop a huge fossil dragon. So this blue one, this violet one, and the green one. Those three are giving the huge pets, so if you mine for those three, you have some chances to get a huge fossil dragon. You can also go on the merchant and buy all of these, open them and get some pet from opening them. You can also get the god potion from these two. Or even easier method, maybe go and sell all of that you have on the trading plaza, and you will get huge amount of money for those. I personally sold a lot of these mining scrolls and I got 2.5 million for that, as you can see. So that's all that you need to know about mining in the new update, and here I will show you all the upgrades that you can follow and open. So these are all the pickaxes, you will get them very quickly. Faster mining, I would suggest going first for mining merchant and then going for these upgrades. Faster mining, upgrade all of those, and stronger mining with more ore. Maybe first upgrade this path for getting more mining loot and more ore while mining, and then finish with the strong mining and stronger mining, because this will make your mining even faster. And over here on the left we have mining pet speed and mining pet strength. So that's all that you need to know about mining, guys. If you want to get some better stuff, you should definitely grind for these chests and try getting some better pickaxe. As you can see, the golden one is the best one that you can get through upgrading, but you can get some much better pickaxes through these chests. Or go to the market and buy them. Although they are very high priced right now, they are overpriced a little bit, so I wouldn't recommend buying them still. Today, maybe in a couple of days, you should try and grab some. So that's all that I prepared for this video, guys. If you have any more questions about mining in Let's Go, let me know down in the comments. And let me know if there is something that I missed, if there is some strategy that you found for mining quicker or getting the huge pet quicker. Still no luck for me in mining this huge pet actually, but let me know if you did find some through mining and which ore did you mine to get it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.